Today, we will show you how to create rental equipment using our rental module. First, create a new part. Input part number and description. Because this is a rental part, select Rental checkbox. You also can input rental prices for this part. Equipment is a serial tracked part, therefore, select Track Serial Numbers checkbox. Then, you can set up serial number format. You can input the prefix and number of digits for serial number. And click OK. Next, you can add accessory that customer often purchase along with the rental equipment. Click New Part Alternative. Select Accessory Part. Then, select Complement as alternate type, and input suggested quantity. Click Save. Next, create a purchase order for rental equipment and accessories. Click New PO. Select a supplier and input due date. Then, create a new line for rental part. Input number of equipment as quantity. Next, create a second line for accessory and input quantity. And then, approve this PO. Now, we will receive this PO using receipt entry. Select PO number. Enter packing slip. And select Ship Via. Next, click Mass Receipt to receive accessory line. For rental part line, you need to manually create pack line because it is a serial tracked part. Input PO line. Check quantity. Then click Serial Number button to assign serial number. Move to Create Serial Numbers tab. Because receipt quantity is 4, we will add a range of serial numbers. Then, move to tab Select. System will generate 4 serial numbers. Then, select all 4 serial number to create new equipment. Click Create Equip button. Messages will pop up if equipment is successfully created. Click OK. Next, select Receipt Warehouse and bin number. Then, select Receive All checkbox to receive all items. And click Save. Next, we can check new created equipment using Rental Equipment menu. You can search for a new equipment. All 4 new equipment show up. Select one equipment to check. Move to tab Serial Number. You can see other information, such as part number, serial number of this equipment, current warehouse and bin number. You also can check equipment using Equipment Availability Tracker. In this menu, system will list down parts based on above filters. You can see our new created rental part. Then select it. In Detail tab, we can see all equipment belongs to that part. You can select one equipment and check its availability details. Or you can select from date and to date to check availability of all equipment. System also can give you a calendar view of all equipment in order to check their availability. Below is the accessory grid to list all accessories attached to rental part. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.